today here we have this plane. It's owned by Malawi Airlines and its registration is Echo Tango Alpha Victor Papa, and it's manufactured by the company called Boeing, and this kind is particularly Boeing 737-700. Yeah, today we are enjoying at the airside. As you can see, it's cute. Kamuzu International Airport. We are happy as after students. Come join us.
Hello everyone. So we are here at Kamuzu International Airport, and beside me you seeing an aircraft which was manufactured by Boeing 737-700, and its registration number is Echo Tango Alpha Victor Papa. So yeah, join us here at African Flight Training Academy. We give you
say this the registration number of this aircraft, it is Echo Tango Alpha Victor Papa. So the aircraft type or the type of this aircraft, it is Boeing 737-700.
The type of this aircraft.
So this aircraft is operated by Malawi Airlines with a registration of Echo Tango Alpha Victor Papa. Fate, come this side.
What do you call those buses?
Which one? Those are the core buses.
Core buses?
Core buses, or you can call them inter.
I want to add my explanation.
Yeah, no problem.
And this is what?
This is a firefighting vehicle. This is a firefighting vehicle.
This is the taxiway?
This one, yeah, this is the taxiway.
Taxiway?
Yeah, that one is the taxiway.
This
Ango. Today is Lero. Tomorrow is Mawa. After tomorrow? After tomorrow? In Chichewa? Come this side. Eh? No. So what type of aircraft is that? What would we say? That one for Kenya Airways. Embraer? 190. And that one?
Boeing 737-700.
Okay. So if somebody is asking you the name of the company that now it is doing what? What is it doing? It is taxing. Using a taxiway. Okay? What did we say? What's the definition of a taxiway? A taxiway. Definition of a taxiway. Yeah? Registration is
5 Yankee.
Yeah.
Foxtrot Delta.
Foxtrot Delta.